can hold. Hey y'all. I'm back. And I'm just sitting in the cup. Oh. I'm waiting. Why do my alarm at home keep going on? Nah, just text around, right? Says Binky wanna play. Ruin my videos. Actually, I just posted the round table because I forgot to do it at 3 o'clock. Yeetity. Oops. So I'm just casing out the joint. They don't even know that I'm out here. So I told y'all I got time today. F it, she crossed the line this way. Is that what the song says? Yeetity. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Share the video. Oh, y'all looking a little nice. I bet y'all one thing when I go in here. How much y'all want to bet? Who want to bet me? Who wants to bet that blue tape is still up? I turned the cameras off. So like last time when I came to Binky talking about something, I'm looking at you pulling up now. And the funny thing is, for me not to be their manager, I think they kind of be knowing when I have their back. They know that I got their back so much that when they can't see the cameras on that screen in there, they don't even worry about it. They probably be like, Mama got it. Mama got it. So, here goes nothing. I am going to... And I didn't tell them I was coming up today. And they wouldn't expect me to be here on a Tuesday. Because normally my pop-up days be like the weekend. When I have my three amigos or right after my three amigos done went home. Y'all, I am proud of me. Here, listen here. I think I did that. Yeeta D. Weeks it is. Oh, my music's still playing. So should I call now? Maybe I should just play it off. Nope, I'm not giving them no. Oh, they done got the house pressure washed. Yeet the damn D. Okay. I'm gonna pause this video. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm just gonna sit here. Wait, where am I going? I forgot this driveway was like a hill. I thought it was going up hard. but I'm behind the tree. I'm too old for this. Why do I get hyped to get after she just did that to me yesterday at that round table? Her and P finna cry before I leave this house. I promise you that. Why do I get to feeling bad? Like I don't feel bad, but I be feeling like I'm too old for this. So let me call Teron real quick. So I'm gonna text him first, see if he woke. Okay. So I text him. Let me see. He don't never answer his text. Teron always got his phone in his hand and don't never answer. I don't know, but every time I park under these trees, he bugs all over my truck. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm ready. I'm gonna call Teron. I think one thing I forgot to do was put some... Hey, son.
Hey.
What y'all doing?
Nothing. I'm sitting in my home. I just got some new covers and stuff.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll probably see it. Okay, I need you to do me a favor, Teron.
What's wrong?
Grab them keys to this big ambulance and come outside.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, that's fine.
Wait, listen. When you come outside, just drive off and follow me.
Okay.
Don't ask no questions.
Okay.
All right. Yeetity. Now, y'all, during this video, so I won't use up too much space on my SD card. I might, stop recording. So if he in his room, they probably somewhere else. Yeetity. Yeet daddy. Let me move the front. Let me move my stuff because he's gonna have to get in here after we do what we do. What we finna to do. What y'all finna do, Mama Shay? Oh, nothing. Let's go steal this ambulance. There you go. There I go. There I go. Now, you know you're a diva when you got tweezers in your truck. What do I got tweezers in my truck for? Okay, so he's finna follow me, y'all. This driveway gets me every time. I hope I don't hit they lights. I bought them some LED color changing motion lights. Let me ask him, where should I go? Son?
Mama, you going right there? You going to go up there and go to the left?
I don't know which way to go. That's why I was finna ask.
Go right there. Go right there and make a left.
Right here?
Yeah, they're my neighbors, so they could. Just
Okay.
I'm gonna park it right there.
Okay.
Yeah, all right.
See, my son, I already know. Where he parking at? Oh, right there. Okay. Yeetity. Got me some little yogurt. Now this ain't no outlet, so we're gonna have to turn around. And then I think I forgot one thing on my hair. Put some makeup on. Hey, son.
Hey!
Get to these.
Yeah, please.
Now, this motherfucker.
Let me put the keys in here.
She gonna be wondering where her truck at.
Nah, for real.
In their room. So when we get back to the house, just go in your room.
Okay.
You go in before me.
Okay.
And you don't know I'm here.
Okay.
I told y'all that she gonna quit messing with my motherfucking son.
Period. Mama, I look so much of a mess. Look at my head.
I noticed you only get your hair cut when you go home. Is that because you don't trust the barbers?
Yes, ma'am. You know the vibes.
I say he go home and get fine.
Nah, for real. And see, if I can just find a barber that can cut my hair like my brother, I'll be okay. But they be pushing people edge up backs and everything. I don't like that.
Okay, go on back in your room and I'm gonna come out. And when you come down, I'm like, Mama, you ain't say you was coming today.
Okay.
I gotta find my vlog. Okay, I got my vlog stick. Okay, go ahead. I'm gonna wait about
Okay.
about 1 minute before I come in. Since she wanna play, now she ain't got no truck. I hope I got my vlog stick with me, y'all. Cause I hate holding my camera, cause y'all, I don't be holding it right. Y'all only could be seeing. Dang, I don't got my vlog stick in this bag. I used to have like 2 or 3 of them, and they be stealing my stuff. I don't have a vlog stick. Okay, y'all gotta hold it. Hold on. Hey, y'all. I'm doing a pop-up. I gotta hold this right. These bees. And they got the door locked again. Do. I got popcorn in my teeth. I was just eating some popcorn. Oh, that's why I smell gas. I was gonna say they've been burning stuff. But I see the little blower they blew up.
We can't answer the door right now.
Yes, y'all
If you
can.
want to leave a message, you can do it now.
I don't want to leave a message. I want y'all to come open this door. Hey! How you?
Hey, Mommy.
What's going on?
What's going on with you?
Thank you.
Hey.
You don't.
What you got going on?
Why I always got something going on? Cause look at it, get the fixing and cleaning stuff all around.
No, I'm just throwing this on in here. This all this recycling.
Bianca, where's your truck?
Oh, it's outside.
Hey, Mom.
No.
It's outside.
Hi.
How you doing?
All right, keep short.
Your truck is not outside. Why?
That's it. Can we go to Home Depot?
No, we're not going to Home Depot. Is your? Didn't I tell you to stop letting people drive that truck?
It's right here.
The truck is not outside.
It is.
It's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. We was just out there.
Why is y'all playing?
Cleaning the yard.
Quit touching me.
I'm not touching you. Hey.
Where's your truck, Bianca? Stop playing with me.
I'm serious.
What do you want me to say?
Y'all, something happened to that truck?
No. Then is that what Ron told you?
To
That's
Ron.
exactly what happens when you keep listening to your son. Sorry about that.
Hey, son.
Hey.
It's not outside. Get off me. Move, Bianca.
Move. The heck wrong with you?
Hey, babe. How you doing? Where's the truck, Teron? Tell me the T, because they keep saying the truck is outside and it's not outside.
Yes, it is.
I don't know.
Y'all playing around.
So you telling me you see a big ambulance out here? I parked in your spot.
Let me see.
Mama, do you park in my spot?
Where's the truck, Bianca?
I thought you bought it.
It's probably in the garage. Somebody must have put it in there for sure.
For sure? Oh. Okay, for sure.
Come out here. Come out here, Mom.
I don't see anything in this garage but a bed. Ain't nothing in the garage, Bianca.
You can let this on.
Where's the truck, Bianca?
I keep telling you.
It's not in the garage.
Yes, it is.
It's in the garage?
Somebody must have hit it.
Hit what?
They just playing a game. Probably TLP.
Who's playing a game? Don't run. Takia, where's the truck? She said y'all playing a game.
I don't play games in that truck. I do not drive nothing.
Come here, Deasia.
I don't drive.
Bro, stop eating them shits of biscuits.
Deasia,
Yeah.
where's the truck?
There you go. Oh, dang.
Mama, I don't know where the truck at.
So y'all just think y'all... What is the problem, Bianca? You look awfully scared. Is something y'all want to tell me?
We was just out here.
Is something y'all want to tell me? First, Takia said somebody got hit in the truck.
That was a lie. We was just joking around about that. Something probably did happen with that, but my truck is... we probably should call the police at this point.
I'm not calling no police. Where's the truck?
I'm serious.
And I'm serious, too. Where's the truck? Y'all always messing up my vlog. I'm trying to vlog and do a pop-up. I was trying to vlog and do a pop-up.
I'm just gonna call the police.
I'm not calling the police.
But I thought I'd be leaving my doors unlocked because it's a nice neighborhood.
What does that mean? Every time I come here and try to vlog, y'all mess it up. And then y'all standing around looking.
Somebody stole the car.
No, y'all probably hit something. Y'all probably hit something in that truck and it's probably in the shop or something like that and don't nobody want to tell me because y'all always got to see.
Nah, I would have told you because you
I
know
don't drive. I don't drive.
Binks was an ass truck in that drive.
Somebody stole it. This ain't nothing but a job for the police.
You calling the police, Bianca?
Come on, because I left my phone in the house. I don't feel
The
like going
people
in there.
messed your vlog up.
Who?
The people who stole the truck.
So somebody just stole the truck and y'all just ain't. Bianca,
I'm gonna call Mom.
where's your truck?
Or watch the camera
I
back
was
before
going to
you
say, see if
call.
the ring camera got it.
The Ring camera ain't been picking up. That's why y'all didn't know I was here.
And I heard front door.
When I rung the doorbell, did you hear me did you see me on this camera right here on the garage?
Y'all tell me now.
I don't know what you mean. Shit, we been sitting in the house. Mama just pulled up. So what the hell you mean we about to tell you now? You the stupid motherfucker don't want to left your keys in the truck.
Oh, that's what happened. So the truth always comes out.
Yes, you did, 'cause you just asked me where them keys at
I
earlier.
drove last.
Oh my
The
God.
truth always comes out.
It's a chipmunk on that tree.
Girl, ain't nobody talking about no
Stop
chipmunks
lying.
right now. We looking for the
You
truck.
always want to lie on me. What are you lying for?
Oh, it's not the police calling.
Answer.
Tell them you need.
I'm sorry, it was just an accident.
No, it ain't your car.
Ebony, thank you. I hung up, Mom.
Ebony.
Why did you
Why
hang
did you-
up? And why did you lie?
You need to make a
I'm
police
just
report.
nervous. I need something. I don't want to make no police report. Something is
The
going
camera
on.
not picking up. It ain't like we can watch the camera
I'm
and
not
pick it
paying the
up.
police guy.
Why did you just hang up?
Do they got a ring camera over there?
Y'all not playing?
You ignorant, bro.
No, I swear to God.
Don't look like we gonna be playing about some bullshit about your car, stupid.
Tell the truth, Bianca. What happened to the truck?
I don't
You
know.
said that truck.
What happened to the truck, Bianca?
Why did why would you leave your keys in the car?
First of all, I didn't drive. Stop asking me the same
Don't
thing.
get
You
smart
drove
with my
last.
Well, why is you getting smart?
Because he drove
The
last.
vlog, because every time I try to vlog it, it be something. Bianca, where's the truck? Did somebody hit something and you don't want to tell me?
I don't know.
How you not know?
Excuse me.
Thank you. Just
F that truck. You need to get rid of that truck anyway. But let me tell you what happened.
did just
You remember I told you that? You remember they said that somebody hit something in the car? That's because she hit somebody's car and then hit somebody on the accident, and she gonna try to call the police on that. She want to stay at the truck.
oh,
Just
so the
tell
police
truth.
probably came and told it.
lying.
So the police probably came and told it.
Yes, ma'am.
They didn't say nothing. I'm telling you now, Mom.
And then you hung up on. So why did you hang up on the police, Bianca, and not make the?
Something happened with my truck and it got something to do with y'all.
Got something to do with who?
Y'all.
Who is y'all?
Y'all.
Who is y'all?
And if I do call the police, y'all gonna go to jail.
Call the police on me. Call the police.
I'm not calling the cops on you. Just
Ebony.
Just give me my.
I don't know where your
Things.
truck at. But I know it better pop up. I'm going back home. I came in a good mood. That done fucked me all the way up.
I'm serious. I don't know where my truck is.
You left the keys in the truck, Bianca, and now it's gone.
Well, looks like we need an Amber Alert.
Okay, Carly Reese Russell, whatever your name is. I thought your name was Ebony. And why do you keep telling the police your name is Ebony?
Because you was finna name me that.
You need to take life a little bit more serious. That's why I stole your truck, Jody.
And that's why I said no to the police because I kind of figured that's what was going on.
Well,
you could have went to jail.
Is that why
You could have just went to GEL.
Yeah, because I was sure telling her to call back.
I gave it away. I'm not getting
I
it back.
really hope the police don't show up.
All right, y'all. There you go. Miss Ebony and Kylie, you talking about you was making an Amber Alert?
Huh?
An Amber Alert, for real?
No, I don't want to have to argue.
Where the car?
Argue with what?
Where is my truck?
I don't know.
I will call the cops back and tell them
Where the
what you did.
keys?
Okay, call them. You call the police on me. You're going to HELL.
What's that?
Figure it out.
Mama, you being so mean.
And you was mean yesterday because I told you
You
stop
being so mean.
and I told you to stop pranking me and you tried to prank me on my round table.
I was just joking.
And I was just joking. I love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. She done messed up my whole little vlog. She done messed up my whole vlog. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share the video. I don't care where y'all that sounds personal. I'm not giving that truck back. Y'all keep playing in the truck. Y'all keep rolling. And then Teron told me somebody cut his seatbelt. Who cut his seatbelt?
Nah, Binky's seatbelts is. Mom, you be thinking we be playing when I be saying I be scared to put them seatbelts on because I be getting stuck and caught. I'm so serious. Them seatbelts is dangerous in that car.
Probably because y'all don't use
You'll
them.
get like this.
You know why? Because you know why I do that? Because y'all done start closing them up with nobody in there. So when somebody actually in there, they really think that person is real little, so it ain't gonna move.
Man, that's dangerous. I done choked myself to death.
I love y'all. They just make up excuses. I'm not giving that truck back. They play too much.
Mama.
They cut Teron.